Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can turn on Hotspot on Android. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, enter the Network and Internet category or Additional Connections, and look for the Hotspot preferences. Here you can switch it on or off. You can also do that by opening the Control panel, unfolding it, and looking for a tile that is responsible for a hotspot, which will also allow you to switch it on or off. If you won't find a shortcut for your mobile hotspot here, simply open the Edit interface, scroll down until you'll stumble upon the list of unused controls, and drag the control for a hotspot from here to your active controls list. And well, as far as this simple video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.